So we're putting this mattress memory foam mattress topper on a hospital air mattress, and of course once you get it out of the package you have to wait about a week for it to fill out. So it's getting there. I'm going to leave it sit here for a little while so it can fluff out, and then I'll finish making the bed up. Feels like memory foam. I went ahead and finished the bed even though the mattress had not expanded at the center of the foot and head, but during the night it did go ahead and fill out, and it actually slept very comfortably. In fact, probably one of the better night's sleep I've had. So the nice thing is full width of the mattress, or the topper. So overall, if it continues to sleep like this, it will be well worth a recommendation.